Welcome to Health Break, your go-to podcast for health and wellness at Polk County Public Schools. We'll give you tips and strategies that you can use in your daily routine that helps promote a better, healthier you. We'll also tell you of all the amazing services offered to our PCPS staff through our healthcare programs. Let's take a journey to better health together.
Hi, welcome to the Health Break podcast. I'm Erin, and today I have Jordan Schultz with me. She's one of our health coaches at the Employee Health Center. Hey, Jordan, can you tell us a little bit about what you do at the health center?
Yeah, sure. So I'm a health coach at the Polk County Public Schools Employee Health Center. I've been working with Polk County Public Schools wellness program in some capacity for about 6 years.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, so if you've ever been to a health fair event or a class or just called our office, I'm probably recognizable.
You're like the face of wellness.
Yeah, so I've been here for quite a while. You'll probably know me if you've had any interaction with wellness. So my background is in health education. So I received my bachelor's degree, earned my bachelor's degree.
That's right.
From the University of Florida in health education. And then I earned my master's degree from Florida Atlantic University.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. So I know we have a ton of awesome wellness programs that we offer to employees and people that are on the insurance. Can you tell me a little bit about those programs?
Yeah, sure. So first of all of our programs are free to employees and those individuals on the insurance. So the first one I wanted to mention is kind of a new program that's going on this year. It's the Health Quotient. So basically, we're going to give you money for completing preventative health services. So we can't get any better than that.
Yeah.
Basically, just try to get your preventative health screenings done. That would include a mammogram, colonoscopy, preventative health,
Like annual physical.
blood work. Correct. Yeah, physical. Complete that. Do the Blue Cross Blue Shield survey online, and then they'll send you the $50.
So a couple minutes work, $50 gift card in the mail. And it's a
Correct.
Visa gift card, right?
Exactly.
So you can use it anywhere.
Yep, you can use it anywhere.
Very cool.
There's nothing else that you have to do. You know, once the claim hits the insurance, they'll just send it to you. So really easy way to get $50. Yeah. Then, of course, the other service that I have to talk about is the health coaching services. I'm partial.
A little biased.
To that. So, yeah, you can come by or call us and schedule an appointment to speak one-on-one with one of the health coaches, including me. Basically, we just help you make or plan your health goals, provide accountability and support. We also offer structured health programs. So, maybe you were just diagnosed with diabetes or prediabetes or high cholesterol or high blood pressure. You maybe need to learn more about the condition, but also receive support for that and accountability for some of those health goals. Work with your doctor's plan. You can approach us and we will provide you all the materials, workbooks, everything that you would need to really dive deep into making those lifestyle changes. And those programs are a little bit more structured, so it might be, more of an ongoing thing.
Okay. I like that you said lifestyle change.
Yes, lifestyle changes. Very important. Yeah. So, and we can meet with you as much as you'd like. So often.
Every other week, once a month, whatever.
Right. Yeah, exactly. And then also, continuing with like the one-on-one appointments, you can also schedule with Ashley, who's our registered dietitian on staff. So she can meet with you one-on-one and come up with, a nutrition plan with you. So maybe you're interested in more just general healthy eating, or maybe you would like some weight loss, to start a weight loss journey. Maybe you were just diagnosed with the high blood pressure, high cholesterol, pre-diabetes, and you'd like more specific nutrition information on that, a real deep dive into that. Lifestyle change. So you could talk with Ashley and schedule that appointment.
Very cool. Do you need a referral to see Ashley?
No, you don't. No, so that's the great thing about it. We do get a lot of referrals, from clinicians and doctors for their patients to see Ashley, but you do not need one.
Very cool.
To see her. Yep, just call us up and schedule that appointment.
Awesome.
And then the next program is the ABCs of Diabetes program. So this one has been around for a while. We still get people who don't know about it, though. So I'm going to cover that and just let everyone know that it still exists, and it's very helpful for anyone who's been diagnosed with diabetes, type 1 or type 2. So basically, this program encourages you to prioritize your health and really put into place those lifestyle changes that can help manage the diabetes. So you would meet with a health coach, regularly. We would ask you to get your lab work done every 6 months at least. Visit with your doctor or your clinician. Really try to make some of those lifestyle changes. Right. We can help you with that. And then basically active members of the program would be given like a wellness incentive, which is a co-payment waiver on certain diabetes supplies.
Very cool. So like their insulin, medications, as long as they're on that formulary, their supplies, test strips, things like that are covered.
Yes.
No copay.
Yep.
That's amazing. Yep. Especially in this day and age. You can't really find a program like that.
Yeah. So that provides quite a bit of cost savings. So definitely reach out to us if you're interested in joining.
And then this is for employees and anybody that's on the insurance. So if you have dependents that also suffer from type 1 or type 2, they can sign up for this program as well.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
That's correct. Yeah. So, and then the next program I'm partial to, being 8 months pregnant. I wish, I had come up with this, but so Blue Cross Blue Shield provides a program called Baby Yourself. And it's a really helpful program for expectant moms, really aimed at keeping you happy and healthy throughout your pregnancy. And basically, you meet with a nurse educator. You download an app. You can track your pregnancy, get great health tips, and get all your questions answered, through the nurse. And if you complete the program, you also receive a wellness incentive.
Very cool.
Yes.
How much is the wellness incentive?
It's $200 after the birth of your baby.
So $200, and then you get that awesome resource of getting all of those crazy pregnancy questions answered.
Yes.
Like, is it safe to eat pickles and ice cream?
Yes, exactly.
Very cool.
Your nurse can tell you the answer to that, yeah. And then the next one is the mammography bus. So this is probably the most convenient and least expensive way of getting your preventative mammogram done. The Mammo bus goes around to all of the work site locations. So it'll travel to you.
Make it nice and convenient.
Exactly. Make it convenient. All work sites, and then also the employee health clinics on the first and second Saturdays of every month. So just in case you can't make it at your work site, you have that backup plan. But insurance covers the copayment 100%.
Wow.
So no out of pocket. You can get on the bus. It takes about 10 minutes. And, everyone is accepted 40 years and older, no prescription needed. If you were under age 40, then you would want to get a prescription from your doctor.
Very cool. So they could really do this like on a planning period or a day off.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So no more excuses not to get your mammogram. Sorry.
Right. No excuses. It comes right to you, right out front of your school or work site. And then the next program is the Aetna Employee Assistance Program, which I love, and I know you love. And so the Aetna EAP program is available for all life's moments, so the good, the bad, and the ugly. You can reach out to them, and they'll provide resources and really point you in the right direction for where you are, in your life right at that moment. So that could be stress management, anxiety and depression, legal and financial matters, relationships and marriage, substance abuse, child and elder care. So if there are any concerns or maybe you want to improve in those areas, maybe you just need more resources, they'll point you in that direction.
Very cool. And that's for anybody in the household. They don't have to be on the insurance.
Correct.
That's awesome.
Anybody in the household. And I refer a lot of people to this program. A lot of the people that I coach, maybe they just need assistance on finding a daycare, or something came up with, elder care issues, or maybe they need a consultation with an attorney. You can call them. It's confidential. It's free, and they'll point you in the right direction.
Especially with how stressful this past year has been. It was a really great resource for a lot of people.
Right. Exactly. And, another big piece of that is they'll put you in contact with a mental health counselor. So you could meet with a mental health counselor through them, or they'll direct you to someone in the community.
Wow.
You could meet with a counselor for free, no payment
That's
needed.
awesome, yeah.
And then the next one, which is fairly new, is the Symptom Checker. Excuse me. So the Symptom Checker is powered by Self-Care Decisions, and it's a self-assessment tool that directs you to the right care at the right time based on your symptoms. So if you're sick and you're not sure whether you need to go to the ER, or if you need to go to urgent care, or
if you can just go to the center.
Yeah, exactly. Or the employee health center. It will help direct you as to which action to take. So it'll connect you with a healthcare provider that's on the insurance. So you don't have to worry about
getting that huge bill
Yes.
once you come home from the doctors or urgent care, wherever.
Yes, exactly. Yep. So it'll tell you, out of, Dr. A, B, C, and D, all those are going to be on the insurance, and you can choose which one
Very cool.
works best. Yep. And then the last program, it's also new. It's called Work Stride, and it was created by Johns Hopkins. And it's a cancer navigator program.
Very awesome.
Yeah, so basically, if you're diagnosed with cancer, or maybe you're a caregiver to someone who is diagnosed with cancer, or maybe you're a manager and one of your employees was just diagnosed with cancer.
All really hard situations, yeah.
Right. Very difficult situation. Maybe you're not sure how to navigate that, what to expect. You have a lot of questions. You can reach out to the nurse navigator.
So you can best support your family member, your coworker, or your, employee, or yourself.
Yes, exactly.
That's super important.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for going over all of those amazing programs that are offered, to our employees and to people that are on, our insurance program. Before I let you go, can you tell our listeners one small thing that they can do every day to, kind of change their health or start that path on that lifestyle change?
Yes. And I like that you said small, because you know our philosophy, right? So small change, something that's realistic that you can do every day, that you can make into a habit very easily. That's the key. So when thinking about this, really it's going to be different for everyone. But as a health coach, one thing that I like to tell people is that they should be busybodies. So anyone who coaches with me knows that I love to say that. But being a busybody really just means trying to be active whenever you can during the day. So try to get in a little bit of physical activity where you would normally maybe choose the more convenient option. So that would mean
playing with your kids, walking the dog.
Yes. Yeah, or, if you're at Target or you're at the grocery store, park far away in the parking lot and then walk up to the store instead of trying to find that spot right up front. If you're needing to talk to your coworker and they're down the hall, maybe instead of sending the email, get up, go talk to them, get some extra steps in. So just try to be a busybody, right? If you can think of one easy thing to do.
Very cool. Thank you for that, Jordan. And for our listeners here, and viewers, where can they find all of that program information?
Yeah, so on our website, everything that I just talked about is on our website. It is wellness.polkschoolsfl.com.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Jordan.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Hi, I'm Ashley Chickarillo, and I'm the registered dietitian at the Polk County Schools Employee Health Center. Did you know Wellness has a program to help you manage your diabetes? The ABCs of Diabetes program helps employees manage their diabetes through meal planning, physical activity, medication management, and more. The program offers free health coaching, free screenings at the health and wellness centers, as well as free approved diabetes medications and supplies. To learn more about the program or to enroll, please visit wellness.polkschoolsfl.com.
Thanks for joining us today. Do you have a question about health benefits or wellness? Head to polkschoolsfl.com/healthbreak to submit your question, and you may hear it answered in a future episode. Connect with us by subscribing on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or Spotify, and join the wellness community. See you next time on Health Break.